Gray, for a bit. Example 3 says, what are the base and height of the parallelogram? Okay, that's something to think about. Then it says, find the area of the parallelogram using the formula area equals base times height.
Okay, first of all, are those dots centimeters?
It doesn't give us a unit, so we're just going to say a unit. But remember what we were talking about, Gray, during the quiz? We were saying we count the spaces, not the dots, right? So what's the length of this base?
It is
1,
2,
2, 3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6. Okay, so the base,
is 6.
we'll say the base equals 6. And since we don't know what that is, we'll just say unit, right? Or a U for unit, okay?
And then the height is 4, I believe.
Let's see.
No,
Now if I want to go here,
3.
right? 1, 2,
Whoa.
3, like
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Okay, so the height is 3 units. Nice. All right. Now, what's my formula? What's the formula that I'm going to use here, John D? Area is equal to base times height. Now let's fill in the values that we know. All right. John, do we know what the value of the area is? No, that's what they're asking for. Find the area, right? So I'm just going to write area down. How about the value for B, John? Do you know that?
6.
6. And then how about the value for the H, John? 3. Okay. Now, John, what's the area of that parallelogram? 18 what? It's not 18 units. Because 18 units would represent a length. Okay? It's not 18 units. What is it, Casey?
18 units squared.
It's 18 units squared, or square units. Okay, now don't go anywhere yet. Okay? I want to erase this for the moment. Okay? I'm actually going to take this and scoot it down. We've done all the work. We know it's 18 square units. And you know what? Cedar, your discussion of Miss Sands' class, I didn't want to do that, has inspired me to do this. Okay? I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay? Like that. Okay? Now, let's do this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight, I'm going to outline this in blue.
Okay.
All right? All right, outlined in blue. Now, Cedar, I'm going to take this part and I'm going to draw a line straight down.
Okay.
And then across and up till it connects with that other one, okay? Now, I'm going to take this red triangle and I'm going to scoot it over here. All right? So now this part is no longer a part of the parallelogram. We've cut it off. I know, I'm a little sad about it. Not really. Okay? Now, I don't care. Now, what's left in this figure, Cedar? I mean, what is this figure now that we cut this bit off? It is a rectangle. Let me do this. Does this remind you of second grade? Excellent. That's what I've been working on, Cedar. Did you draw lots of lines like this? Okay.
So we drew all the stories individually.
Did you really? You couldn't do it like that?
No.
Okay.
Just draw one.
Now, Cedar, I'm coming back to you.
Here.
John, do you agree that one of these spaces is a unit?
Yes.
Okay. So this, you would agree, is a square unit,
Yes.
right? It's a unit's length on either side. It's a square. Okay. Now, Cedar, what we want to know now is how many square units are there? All right. So let's count them, shall we? I'm going to let you count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Excellent. 18. But remember, it's the base, which is 6 of these units, times the height, which is 3 of them. Obviously, we're going to have 3 rows and 6 columns. Okay? And get 18. Yes, Cedar? You raise your hand like you're about to say something. Were you just stretching? He was just stretching, folks. You're done and ready for your homework. See you tomorrow.